why you should change your timing belt at timing intervals. Yay! So, if you want to see if your motor still runs, it's not too hard. Just set your timing. You're going to take your valve cover off and all the spark plug coils. And yeah, it should be 7 nuts on a b18, which is what this is, INTEGRA. So, on your 2 cams, you have a little up symbol on both of them. Make sure those are facing up. And then there's little notches, and they need to be horizontal, facing each other. And you go down to your crank pulley. Well, you take that off, and behind that, you're going to see that mark. Make sure that's at that little triangle perfectly. Cool. Okay, so you just run that around. You can replace the water pump. You can replace the timing. I mean, the belt tensioner. But for me, I just want to see if the motor still runs, so I'm going to go buy a cheap belt. And after that, figure out if I want to change the water pump or anything. Thanks. Good luck, everyone.